On 26th May, the CFA Institute announced its biggest curriculum change in years. And here's what nobody's telling you clearly. Register for the wrong exam window and you could study material that literally won't appear on your exam. So, in the next few minutes, what changed, which windows it hits, and why one group of students should deliberately wait for the new syllabus and one group absolutely shouldn't. I'll tell you which one you are. The one rule. Lock this rule in first because everything flows from it. The new syllabus applies from the February 2027 window onward. August and November 2026 stay on the current syllabus. November 2026 is the last old curriculum window for level 1 and 2. Why does this matter? Because your material must match your window. Register for 2027 but study from your seniors 2026 books and you will walk into the exam having never seen entire chapters. CFA doesn't forgive gaps. Pass rates hover around 40 to 45% even for the people studying the right material. So what changed? Almost all the change hits level 1 in 3 subjects. Level 2 and 3 candidates, apart from an ethics reorganization, you are untouched. Breathe. Level 1 students, 3 shifts. 1. AI enters the CFA syllabus officially. A brand new reading on financial data science, AI, and large language models. Yes, the tech behind ChatGPT is now level 1 material. Quant also goes hands-on. Monte Carlo and bootstrapping demonstrated step by step in Excel and Google Sheets. Why? Because recruiters in India, Big Four, GCCs in Bangalore and Hyderabad want analysts who can work with data tools. The exam is being rebuilt to match the jobs. Number 2, Equities is rebuilt around a real analyst job, renamed from equity investments to just equities, and restructured around what research analysts actually do, like DCF, relative valuation, writing research reports, factor models. Number 3, Ethics reorganized, GIPS removed from level 1 entirely. The 7 standards of professional conduct each become their own module. Modules go from 93 to about 102. But here is what most videos miss. Topic ways haven't changed at all. What changed is what's inside the topics, not how much they count. One warning for the bargain hunters buying second-hand material. Bhai, 3 subjects got renamed. Even the chapter names won't match. Careful. Now the decision, the honest counseling answer, not the regular answer. Which student are you? Already preparing for 2 to 3 months? Take November 2026, the last old syllabus train. Your prep carries over completely. Waiting throws away efforts for nothing. Don't overthink it. Starting from zero, here's a surprise. Target February or May 2027 and study the new syllabus directly. Why would I point you at the changed exam? You have no old prep to protect, and the new syllabus is worth more to your career. An exam teaching AI in finance, Excel simulations, and research report writing is training you for the 8 to 12 lakh per annum analyst roles GCCs and brokerages are actually hiring for. And rushing into November with 4 months of prep for an exam most people give 300 plus hours, that's how first attempts fail. Retaking. If your retake lands by November 2026, go. Your knowledge matches the syllabus. Need more time? Then accept that quant, equities and ethics need restudy from new material and budget those weeks. Pretending the change doesn't apply to you is how retakes fail twice. Now the money matter, the price tag. No enrollment fee anymore. The old $350 fee is gone. Level 1 registration is $1,140 early or $1,490 standard. Roughly 98,000 versus 1.28 lakh at current rates. Registering early saves you about 30,000 per level. That's a semester of college fees. For February 2027, early pricing has already closed. Standard is still open, but you are in the expensive lane. Your reset May 2027 registration opens 12th August 2026. Early deadline 14th October. Pause the video and put that date in your phone. The cheapest mistake to avoid in this entire program is missing early registration. Now one line each. Already preparing November 2026. Starting fresh May 2027. New syllabus, register early in August. Retaking, match your material to window. And the biggest story, CFA is being rebuilt around AI, data and real analyst work because the jobs changed first. So hope you understood this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.